universally accepted system was put forth, system was suggested by the scientist, which is called SI system. You know, SI system. So what is this SI system? SI system is the group of fundamental units, derived units, just a minute, fundamental units, supplementary units, 7 fundamental units, 2 supplementary units. How many supplementary units are there? 2 supplementary units. 2, they are plane angle and solid angle, isn't it? You have studied, you might have studied solid angle, isn't it? So these are the 2 supplementary units and several number of derived units. So derived units. The set of all these 3 units is nothing but the SI unit system. This is called system international. This is also called system international. So these units were universally accepted. In SI unit is known everywhere. Any quantity, let us suppose mass of the SI unit of mass is kilogram. So kilogram is familiar in every part of the earth, isn't it? So it is universally accepted system. So this is about the SI system and SI units. So what are the rules for writing SI units? So let me prepare the table first of all of SI units. SI units of fundamental quantities. So fundamental quantities: length, mass, time, temperature. You can note it down, or you can simply listen. Temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. So its symbol is unit is SI unit is here meter. We know that this is kilogram. Don't write kilogram, K capital. Don't write M capital. We are going to study the rules afterwards. Time, seconds. Temperature, Kelvin. Don't write K capital. If you are writing the full form of the unit, then the starting letter should be small. So you please keep in mind. Electric current, ampere. So even though it is the name of scientist, I am writing A small here. So you please note it down. So luminous intensity is candela, and amount of substance is mole. So these are the SI units of these quantities, isn't it? You have studied it. It is very simple. So it is just a revision, and just we want all these things in the next MCQs or anything. Meter. What is the symbol of meter? So it is M. You can write it fastly. Kilogram, K small. This is second. Kelvin, K capital. Ampere, A capital. Candela, CD. And mole. These are the symbols. These are the fundamental units. And let me write the supplementary units. Supplementary quantity units. I'm sorry, we shall write it here. Let me erase the table first of all. And supplementary units. So these are the supplementary units, 2 units, supplementary units. Number 1 is the plane angle and number 2 is the solid angle. So I think we know that these are the dimensionless quantity. We are going to study the dimensions afterwards. Plane angle. So the SI unit is radian and solid angle is steradian. The units are, the symbols are rad. Don't write the capital letter, use the capital letter here. Small letter only. And steradian. So these are the 2 supplementary quantities. 7 fundamental quantities, 2 supplementary quantities, and several number of large number of derived quantities, derived units. So all these units together form SI unit system, isn't it? So this is known to you. It is just a revision. So let us know what are the rules of writing SI units. Rules of writing SI units. SI unit of a quantity. First rule. If I am writing meter, 5 meters, I can write it here 5 meters as. So if you are writing full form of the unit, the first letter, starting letter, should be small. Should be a small letter. Should be a small letter. So the full form, let me write the sentence. The full forms of the unit, while writing the unit of the physical quantity, SI unit, the full form of unit always should start with a small letter only. For example, meter, Newton, even though Newton is named after the scientist, and in general case, in usual case, we write Newton as in this way. So while writing the full form of the unit, the n letter, first letter should be small. E1, we shall correct it here again. Even it is started after, it is named after a person, after a scientist or a person, isn't it? So Newton, Joule, don't write J capital. Joule, this Joule is wrong. 5 joules, wrong. Isn't it? This is the first rule. Second rule. The symbols of unit, SI units, are always always written in capital letters. In capital letters. Only when they are named after a person. That means if we want to write the unit of force or 5 Newton, if the symbol is to be written, we must write 5 N capital, 10 joules J capital, 10 meters. Here M should be small because this is not the name of the sentence. This is the meter. Unit meter is not started from a person, or it is not named after a person, isn't it? So the symbols of the unit, only symbols of the unit, those which are named after a person, they are written in capital letters. All remaining symbols are used in small letters. That is, the third rule is all remaining symbols are written in small letters. written in small letters. Small letters. Just like 5 kilograms, 50 meters, isn't it? Don't write full stop. Fourth one, plural forms are not. Plural forms, what is the fourth one? Plural forms are not allowed while writing the symbols. Writing the symbols. That means, for an example, suppose we want to write 50 kilograms. Don't write 50 kilograms kgs. It is read as kilogram into second. So plural forms are not allowed. 55 meters. Yes. Don't write meters. Newtons. 75 newtons. Yes. Don't write newtons. You can utter. You can pronunciate it as 75 newtons, but don't write. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. Plural forms are not allowed. You can pronounce it as meters, but you cannot write ms, isn't it? So this is the fourth rule. So many rules are there. Abbreviations and punctuations. Abbreviations, punctuations, and full stops are not allowed. That means we cannot write ampere as ampere or ampere. This is wrong. We can write either ampere. This is correct. Ampere, because full form is written and the first letter is small. While writing the full form, first letter should be small. Isn't it? And unnecessarily short forms are not allowed. So if you write 50 kilograms and if the full stop is given here, this is not allowed. Punctuations and full stops are not allowed. So this is about the rules of writing SI units.